Static hisses like a blizzard in my skull. Midnight voltage, hear the dead air howl. Everybody says, man, you need to unwind, but I sharpen my edge in the grind of the blind. I don't want velvet dreams or a sweet refrain. I need the storm and the wires pumping through my brain. 1,000 empty frequencies colliding in the night. That's where the sparks are born, that's where I write. Don't sing me lullabies, don't drown me in escape. I need the static pressure, I need the feedback. White noise, hear the vacuum scream. White noise, feeding every dream. Music makes me drift away, makes the predator grow tame. No longer hungry for the flame, but the static keeps me hungry, keeps me vicious, and gives me vision. White noise, white noise. I turn the dial to nowhere, hear the universe decay like ghosts trapped in circuitry, clawing through the gray. People crank the radio to mellow out the soul, but I don't need sedation, I need control. Songs are good for highways, keeping sleep from my eyes. 4 a.m. on blacktop under sodium skies. But when I need creation, when I need the vision clear, I feed the static ocean roaring in my ears. No comfort in the sound, no paradise to find, just raw electric chaos to organize my mind. White noise, hear the vacuum scream. White noise, feeding every dream. Music makes me drift away, makes the predator grow tame. No longer hungry for the flame, but the static keeps me hungry, keeps me vicious, and gives me visions. White noise, white noise, white noise. No melody, no harmony, just infinite collision. That's where I find precision. Song. I walk through walls of static all night long. The world wants peace and quiet or driving music. I want drive and rain. I want pressure, heat and strain, because genius isn't comfort, it's surviving the rain. I want pressure, heat and strain, because genius isn't comfort, it's surviving the rain. White noise, white noise, white noise, hear the vacuum scream. White noise, feeding every dream. Music makes me drift away, makes the predator grow tame. No longer hungry for the flame, but the static keeps me hungry, keeps me vicious, and gives me vicious. White noise, white noise, white noise, hear the vacuum scream, feeding every dream.